Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. We are almost to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your love and your support. So this is my CVS haul for this week. Everything you see here was completely free and a $3.96 moneymaker. So if you want to see how I picked up these items, keep on watching. And I think I might be going back to CVS sometime later this week because I have a lot of CRTs. So let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so my first deal is going to be the paparazzi. It's buy two, get $5 back, and you can do this deal 2 times. I'm going to pick up 4. That's going to be $10. I have a 2 off of 3 CRT. I'm going to pay $8 and I'm going to get $10 back, making 4 of them completely free and a $2 moneymaker. Okay, so this is my oral care deal. I am picking up 3 of the Crest toothbrushes at $1.99. It's buy 3, get $5 back. Then I'm going to walk down to the toothpaste, and the toothpaste is $3.49, buy 3, get a $4 extra care buck back. So I'm picking up 3 of those. Then I'm going to walk right back down to where I started. I don't know why I didn't show you the toothbrushes as well. So the replacement heads, it's spend 10, get $4 back. I'm picking up 2 at $8.59, and I'm going to use this 10 off of 2 coupon from the P&G. So for everything, it's $33.62. All of the coupons I showed, there we go. This one is going to come off. I have a 7 off of 30 CRT. I have a 5 off of 3 manufacturer's coupon and a $1 coupon that's going to glitch and come off. That's $23 in coupons. I'll pay $10.62 and I'll get $14 back, making it all free, and a $3.38 moneymaker. So I'll get 5 for the toothbrush, 4 for the toothpaste, and 5 for the other toothbrushes. Okay, so this is my Colgate deal. It's spend 15, get $7 back, and you can do this deal 2 times. So I'm picking up 1 of the revitalized gums and 1 of the Optic White Renewal at $9.29. Then I'm gonna pick up 2 of the Optic White at $5.79. So we have 4 products total, and I have them all up here. So for everything, it's going to be $30.16. I have a 5 off of 30 Colgate CRT. The Optic White Renewal has a $3 coupon. The Revitalized Gums has a $3 coupon. There's a 4 off of 2 for the other 2 on the top. There's also a $2 off of 1 that's going to glitch and come off. So that's $17 in coupons. I'll pay $13.16 and I'll get $14 back, making it free and an 84-cent moneymaker. Okay, so the FLUZ chocolate covered pretzels, it's 3 for $9. When you buy 3, you get a $3 extra care buck. So for 3 of them, it's $9. I'm going to use 3 of these 75-cent off coupons. That's going to take $2.25 off. I'll get $3 back, making all 3 just $3.75. Now, I don't have any other CRTs for this, okay? So that's just it, $3.75. Okay, so CoverGirl is buy 2, get $6 back. I'm picking up 1 of the mascara at $8.49. And then I'm going to walk down here and pick up 1 of the Simply Ageless Skin. And I got the eye serum, and that's $19.49. So for both products, it's $27.98. I have a 6 off of 20 CRT. For the Simply Ageless Skin, I have 2 $6 CRTs. I have a $3 CRT. I think we all received that. And then I had a $2 digital coupon for the mascara. So that's $23 in coupons. I'm going to pay $4.98, getting 6 back, making them all free, and a $1.02 moneymaker. Okay, so I am picking up 1 of the Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Cleansers. I have a bunch of CRTs. So I have 3 $3 CRTs and a 2 off of 8. That's going to take $11 off, leaving the final cost for this to be 79 cents. Now, you can pick up something else that's going to be free, okay? Okay, so the Alka-Seltzer is buy 1, get 1 50% off. I have two CRTs. I have a $3 CRT and a $2 CRT, which is going to make this completely free because it's $4.99. Now, if you want to pick up the larger one, if you have those CRTs, you can use this $1.50 off coupon. So you can pick up two of the larger ones and use the $1.50 coupon. That's going to be $8. So if you have those CRTs I have, okay? So these will be completely free on both of my cards. Okay, guys, so I did not record a lot of clips in store because there was a lot going on. So the Ardell, I believe it's buy two, get $5 back. I picked up two of the lashes at $4.99 and one at $5.79. That's $15.77. I had two buy two, get one free CRTs. So the cashier has to enter the amount for these. So she entered $4.99 on one and $5.79 on the other one, which brought my cost down to $4.99, and I got $5 back, making all three completely free. The Brute or Shore deodorant, it's on sale this week for $2. Buy one, get a $2 extra care buck back, making that completely free. The Micro Gold, it's $9.99. Buy one, get a $7 extra care buck back. I used a $2 coupon that I've been showing in my previous videos that I printed on the website a few weeks ago. So I paid $7.99 and I got $7 back, making it 99 cents. What else? So these right here, the small ones, it's 2 for $7, and when you spend 10, you get $2 back. So I picked up 4. That's $14. I used 4 of the $3 Downy coupons that took off. Let me grab the coupon so you can see it. This right here. So I used 4 of these. That took off $12. I paid $2 and I got $2 back, making 4 of those completely free. Okay, guys, for my spend 30, get $10 back. I picked up 6 of the Downy Unstoppables, and I did 4 in one transaction and 2 in another transaction. So for 6 of them, it's going to be $29.64. Now, you can pick up 4 Downy and 2 Tide if that's what you want to do, or the Gain if you have coupons. I just don't have any Gain coupons, okay? So $29.64. I used 6 of these $3 coupons, and I said 4 in one transaction and added 2 in the other transaction. So I'm just giving you the entire breakdown. So 6 of these, that's going to be $18. You're going to pay $11.64, and you're going to get $10 back, making it just $164 for 6 of those. Now, my other spend 30, get 10, I picked up one of the L'Oreal Age Perfect, and that's $21.49. And I picked up 2 of the Downy Unstoppables. That is $31.37. I had a 5 off of 15 for the L'Oreal. I had a $5 CRT for the L'Oreal. I think everyone is getting that this week. I also used a $4 printable. I printed from coupons.com a few weeks ago. I don't think it's available anymore. And I used 2 of these right here. That brought my total down to $11.37, and I got $10 back, making it just $1.37 for those 3 products, okay? Okay, so this is my shave deal. I picked up one of the Chic Intuition, and that's $8.99. Buy one, get $4 back. And I picked up 2 of the Skintimate razors, and they're $5.99. Buy one, get $3 back. So for all 3 products, it's $20.97. I had a 5 off of 20 shave CRT. For the Intuition, I used this $3 coupon right here. And for the disposables, which is the Skintimate, I used 2 of these right here. So that's $16 in coupons. I paid $4.97, and I got $3 back for the Skintimate and $4 back for the Intuition. That's $7, making everything free and a $2.03 moneymaker. Okay, now for my second shave deal, I picked up one of the Skintimate and that's $5.99. Buy one, get $3 back. One of the Chic Extreme, and that's $8.99. Buy one, get $4 back. I also picked up one of the Hydro Silk Touch-Up, and there's nothing back on that. That was $6.29. So for everything, it's $21.27. I had a 5 off of 20 shave CRT. For the Skintimate, I used a $4 coupon. For the for the Extreme 5, I used this right here, and I had a $3 CRT. For the Hydro Silk Touch-Up, I used this coupon right here, and I had a $2 CRT. So that brought my final cost down to $1.27, and I got $7 back. So I got $4 back for the Extreme 5 and $3 for the Skintimate, making everything free and a $5.73 moneymaker. Okay, so the Johnson & Johnson is buy one, get one 50% off. I picked up these two here at $5.79. So for both, it's $8.68. I used two of these $2 coupons, and I had a $2 baby CRT from this week and a $2 baby CRT from last week, which attached to these. I think one was Johnson & Johnson and one was a baby. I can't even remember what it was, but I'll post it up here. So I paid just 68 cents for these two products. Okay, so the Cream of Nature, it's $9.29. I had a free CRT, which took $9 off, leaving it to be just 29 cents. Now, my Hallmark is buy 3 cards, get $3 back. My store is out of the 99-cent cards, and I had 3 off of 6 CRTs. So I picked up 2 of the cards, that's 2 for $4, and I picked up 4 of the 49-cent bags. So all of them together, it's $5.96. So my 2 CRTs came off, the 3 off of 6. I got nothing back because my store, like the bags do not track for those, okay? So it was all free, but I'm going to go to another store and I'll get one of those 99-cent cards, and I'll get $3 back, okay? Okay, so this is one of the receipts. This is the Downy, the Brute, the Skintimate, and the Paparazzi. All of my coupons scanned. I used $17.95 in coupons. Let's just say $18. Well, I used 14 and I paid $3.95 because I had nothing smaller. I got back $4, $3, $2, $10, and $2. So I got back $21 after spending $18, which makes this free and a $3 money maker. Okay, so this is my other shave receipt. So everything I have here, everything came off. The 5 off of 20, the $3 Extreme, and the $2 for the Hydro. It actually took off $1.83. So I paid $1.32 and I got $7 back, making them free, like I said, and a $5 and change moneymaker. Okay, so this receipt is for the other card, the Brute, the Crest, the Oral-B deal, and all of my coupons came off as expected. And I got back the $4 for the Crest. I got back the $5 for the Oral-B. I got back $4 for the Oral-B. I got back $2 for the Brute. And I got $5 for the Paparazzi. Now, notice I picked up 4, but I only got $5 back. So I'm going to go back to the top over here. And none of them were on clearance. So, $2.50, $2.50, $2.50. And the other one here rang up for $2.99. I'm not sure why. So that's just one. On this one, this is the Tresemme deal. And Tresemme is 2 for $9. Buy 2, get $2 back. And the Dove is supposed to be 2 for $8. Buy 2, get $2 back. So I purchased them together because I had a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. I used an expired coupon, the 5 off of 2 for the Tresemme and the 3 off of 2 for the Dove. I also had a digital 150 off of 1 for the Dove. That came off as well. I used $5 in extra bucks. I'm supposed to get $4 back. Now, the Dove rang up buy one, get one 50% off. They did not ring up 2 for $8. So that messed me up. So what my manager did was printed me a $10 extra buck. So 5 for the paparazzi and 2 for the Tresemme and 2 for the Dove. I just got $1 extra, okay, which made them all free. Okay, guys, again, so this is my haul. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video, share the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.